Thank you very much. Right now, a story causing controversy on many levels. A 16-year-old boy from Texas making headlines when he drove drunk and ends up killing 4 people, injuring 2 others. Ethan Couch. He had 3 times the legal limit of alcohol in his system on top of Valium and THC. And instead of the 20 years of jail time the prosecution was asking for, a Texas judge sentencing him to 10 years of probation and a rehab stint instead. Just 10 years of probation. Now, the defense team argues that because of his family's wealth and the way he was brought up, Couch never learned that his actions actually had any consequences. A case of what they are calling affluenza, like an affluence type of sickness. Well, we are joined right now by clinical psychologist, Dr. Daniela Schreier. Doctor, thank you very much for joining us. And this one's just unbelievable in so many ways. What exactly is affluenza?
Well, it's not a clinical diagnosis, John. Thanks for having me. I think they brought it in as a mitigating factor, right? As a circumstance that he had access to too much money, too much power too early without parental supervision. However, in my opinion, I saw only a short clip of the clinical psychologist's analysis later on. It means we can say, you know, yes, he hadn't the best upbringing, because we know rich people also can suffer. But you know what? We have many poor kids in the court every day. They are just numbers. And we never say, hey, he's the son of a single mom. Cut him a slack.
Now, is this a viable defense, and do you expect other people maybe to start jumping into action and using this?
Well, look at all the actors out there that are driving and might be drunk and always failing to go through with rehab. I mean, Lindsay Lohan, whoever, that could be definitely something that comes up in the future, but it's not a psychological disorder.
Yeah, and I mean, and to me it sounds, on so many levels, it sounds almost unbelievable, but this thing has a chance to actually keep this kid out of jail, right? Absolutely.
It means he's going to rehab now. But remember, what I'm thinking of, in Aruba many years back, we had the case of Jordan van der Sloot. And I'm not saying it's the same arrangement, but he came from very affluent, powerful parents. The father was a judge back then, and he kept him out of trouble. But remember, he came back into the justice system. And with this kid, we might see the same thing, that he might have other brushes with the law later on, based on maybe personality or just issues on fitting in.
Doctor, thank you for joining us. This one, again, mind-blowing in many ways. We appreciate your insight, and we'll keep our eye on this one for you, all right?
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Natalie, over to you.